kuda kwashe Tagwirei aiwa otagiza zvekare that mantra yekunzi 2030 vamunangagwa vachange vachitonga panguva ino pari kunyatsoonekwa kunzi VP Chiwenga zvinozikanwa nemunhu wese ndiye aitasira kunzi aiwa ndichasakisida mutungamiri wenyika pane maconsolidations of power ari kuitika bombshogeza mashoko aitaura in his addresses now they are coming true pari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa mutungamiri wenyika anga asina kana any support aiwa these guys vakarwa hondo maveterans panguva inoi tichiona achipresenta over ma4ED campaigns kunyatsoonekwa kunzi aiwa is shutting VP Chiwenga no subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina mna mobuda nyumba mchinzi. Tagwirei recently elected into ZANU-PF Central Committee was the guest of honor at a high-profile event organized by Young Women for ED Economic Development held at NAST University. Branded as part of Leadership Success series under the theme The Land Tenure, Unlocking the Potential of Young People. The gathering saw the launch of the Vendors for ED Presidential Empowerment Fund, a strategic populist move aimed at consolidating mnangagwa's grassroots support. But critics say the event was less about youth empowerment and more about power consolidation by mnangagwa's loyalists, infamously referred to as the Zvigananda faction, a term now synonymous with the psychopaths and corrupt praise singers, enabling Mnangagwa's 30-term ambitions. Tagwirei's recent appointment to the Central Committee, confirmed by Party Legal Affairs Secretary Patrick Namasa, was facilitated through back channels. Though nominated by Masvingo Province, it was Harare Province, closely aligned with Mnangagwa, that cleared a slot for him, signaling how Presidency Inner Circle is shaping the party's future trajectory. Political analysts argue that the resurrection of the ED 2030 slogan, once abandoned after public backlash, reflects a deliberate effort to entrench Mnangagwa's hold on power and effectively block Chiwenga's presidential ambitions in 2028. No much parubuda panguva ino ari fresh attacks on VP Chiwenga kuonekwa kunzi ignite kwaita this mantra wanyatsokuonekwa kunzi aiwa watonga wangowisira chinara pasi. Views mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi mina comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like chitombe bell icon.